motor drives initialization, programming and operation. In parameter A003 set here 2 for all parameters initialization. Restore all parameter to factory default. The parameter is initialized. So set now external parameters for remote operation. In parameter B00 frequency command pattern, set here 0 for master frequency command. In B001 master frequency command source, set here 2, and B100 for run command, set here 1 for terminal control. Now set acceleration time in B201. Set here acceleration frequency 4 seconds. That means the motor maximum speed will reach within 4 seconds. And B202 will set for deceleration time. So acceleration time we setting here 4 seconds, and B202 deceleration time we set here 2 seconds. That means motor stop within 2 seconds from maximum speed. This parameter we setting for external operation in a machine. We using a potentiometer for increasing or decreasing or speed variation, and common to X1 for run command. So here we using an induction motor for checking and the drive is okay or not. From common to X1, the motor is driven as 10 Hz frequency. Now the motor is driven by Gtake inverter. We can set a parameter as per our machine controlling requirement. Here we using potentiometer 10 kilo ohms and using a wire for run command. That means you use a selector switch for run. Now increasing frequency in 50 Hz by a potentiometer, and speed is increasing. Now decreasing, speed also decreasing. So in this way we can varying inverter speed or inverter operate in external mode or a remote operation. Thank you for watching.